Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. English essay Fashions. New fashions are common nowadays. Everybody wants to be smart and up to date. It is our right to adopt new trends. We need to remember some things in this regard. We have our own way of spending lives. New trends should not negate our cultural values. Fashion without morality is harmful. We should not follow foreign culture blindly. We should not be crazy in an effort to look fashionable. New trends do not mean shamelessness. We should become decent, fashionable people. We must be proud of our cultural values. We must keep in view our ideology and identity. Modernity of thought is important. If our thinking is positive, we are fashionable. Too much fashion is absurd and stupid. We must be moderate in every matter of life. We should be fashionable with moral principles. Fashion's modernity and moral responsibility should go hand in hand. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Also like and share this video with your friends. Thanks.